Rolling. Hey there, gang. This is Randy, an old dog, sharing some tricks and picking up a few tricks along the way. Northern Idaho, in the Panhandle. It's 28 degrees Fahrenheit today. Happy New Year. So if you're watching this, you didn't go out last night and get in any trouble, that's good. So today's special is the finalization of the 1940s floor model Craftsman drill press. So it's the final episode, and there she is. In my last video I was showing I was drilling a couple of drilling through some metal with it. And it's working like a champ. If it's not frozen, let's see if she still works. Yep. Beautiful. I'm going to do some tweaking. I'm going to get a couple of proper bolts for this. So it'll I'm glad I stuck with it. It nearly got me a couple of times. Not bad for a, let's see, a 60, 80-year-old machine, thereabouts. So, I'd like to be running that smooth if I make it to 80-something. Everything's made in the USA except for the motor. That's a Chinesium. Well, that's that. I want to thank you all for watching. Please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm trying to decide whether I should finish my rocket stove. I think I have the materials to do it, except for stove pipe, or whether I should continue with this log splitter. Where I'm at, we don't have a wood burning fireplace, but I've got everything except for the wheels and tires, probably a little metal, and a excuse me while I turn this radio off, I keep forgetting about that. I'll pick up an 8 horsepower motor, brand new, so the guy that buys it from me will have an all new except for the steel log splitter. I built 2 of them already. I've got enough to make about 3 more, but time's a wasting. And I think I'll do the rocket stove. That'll be a lot faster. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Continue to be safe. And once again, Happy New Year.